Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what package came today. It is...
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys. That's him! Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
Sorry guys, we started working before we turned on the camera again. But we've been cleaning in here, and I've been ripping out walls. And now we just cut the floor with this saw right here.
Teacher, I can barely pull this out.
Did you say teacher?
Yeah.
And there's one other thing I want to show you. I got a new tool, and Sawyer called it a work purse. So this has been, I don't know why I haven't had one of these. It's been a long time coming, but this is my new work purse.
A new work bag.
Does Dad wear purses?
No, I guess.
No! The reason we cut out this floor like this is because we finally decided on the layout here. And we're gonna do a shower just where that old shower was. And then a big old soaker bathtub right where that one is. And right there where that big hole is gonna be a pocket door. And then right here is, the other side of that wall will be a master closet. This will be a pocket door, right where that hole is. That's the center. And then a big vanity there. And our throne right there.
What is thorn?
Not a thorn, a throne.
That means your toilet.
Yeah. And this will be a pocket door too, by the way. Pocket doors all around. Back in there is the bedroom. Out here, the hallway to back bedroom. And then we're gonna cover this door so there'll be no door here. And this will be a big master walk-in closet with whatever you call that. Moon roof? Sunscreen? What's that called?
Sun era.
And this one has one too. Kind of nice.
Are we gonna keep it?
Yeah, we're gonna keep them. We're gonna clean them up and keep them. The reason we cut this floor right here is to add another drain for this big old soaker tub. I just wanted to show you what package came today for me. You can't really tell, but it is a humongous box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this humongous package came from Amazon, and it is... Just kidding. We brought it inside before I remembered to record it, so let me come show you. Can you get out? It is a humongous tub! Go stand next to it so we can have a comparison. Just lay on top of the wrap.
Really big.
It is really big. That should be really nice. It's called a soaker tub. This one is the biggest one we could fit in our space, but they make them even bigger. I think this was like a 67 inch. Anyway, it's really lightweight. I don't even know what it's made out of. Maybe fiberglass. I was not expecting that. I was expecting it to be like heavy, like glass or something.
This is like 75 pounds.
Really, it's really light.
Yeah.
But I am going to put this in place right now so we see where the drain is going to go. And then I'll run some plumbing.
So we have the tub in place.
Oh, get out of here!
Travis, we don't want to unwrap it because we still have to do plumbing and tile before we put it in. So Travis is just trying to get a taste of the bathtub without getting all the way committed.
It's comfortable.
I hope it really is.
You should make a bed out of this saran wrap. It's like really comfortable.
That's funny. Hey guys, thanks for watching. These last couple weeks have been so crazy. Travis never goes out of town, but what was it? Was it last week you were out of town or 2 weeks ago?
2 weeks ago now.
So 2 weeks ago and then the week before that. So 2 and 3 weeks ago, Travis was out of town. Why? So starting 3 weeks ago, he was out of town for 2 weekends. I don't know how to say this. I can't make it make sense. Anyway, so
I was gone 2 weekends in a row.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So it just kind of put us behind a little bit. So
because with me gone, nothing gets done around here.
We just survive. That's all we do. So anyway, we're still working on our bathroom. Haven't made a ton of progress. And the table that we messed up last week, I am working on, and that's actually turning out really good. So hopefully next week I'll have that video, and then we'll have more of the bathroom done the week after that, I guess. So.
On the way back, I want to examine.
Whoa! I just about fell.
I tried to get it. Whoa! Who's fishing too?
I don't think so. It's too cold.
Should we go down?
I'll record you so you fall and I can catch it. We knew that was happening. I told Sarah before we left, bring snow stuff, we're gonna go on a hike. She didn't bring gloves and she wore tennis shoes. Everyone else is wearing snow boots. Wait, it's going! Come on, come on! Come on, wait, it's going! Go on, go on!
Good boy. Let's think, come. Go on. Go on, Pop. Don't learn their lesson.
It's more slippery than it looks, huh? It's like gravel underneath it.
That is pretty hard not to fall.
I thought Winston was going to take Max in.
So this gets even more embarrassing for Sarah because she's like hardly even wearing socks.
They are my
Look at this snow. I told you we were going hiking. Obviously, everything has snow on it.
Well, I thought we were going on a trail, not on
Daddy?
that
Daddy?
country.
That's pretty funny.
Did you see that big rock? Did you see this rock?
Where are you going, Winston?
Where is he going?
I don't know.
Oh boy.
Winston, come.
Everybody watch out so he doesn't trample you.
A doggy. I want to do that. Daddy, watch.
Oh, Winston, come on.
Did you see this rock? It can't even break your arm.
Yeah, dude, you can see that it's not frozen all the way, so you know not to step on this. Oh, it's so solid.
Why?
This is all ice.